MIUI has been one of my favorite Android OEM skins for a long time now, and I feel MIUI 10 is the biggest update in terms of features and update it brings to the table.
So hey guys, this is Satyajeet and you're watching the review of the MIUI 10 on Redmi Note 4. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's first talk about the new features it brings to the phone. So we will talk about the performance in the later part of the video.
This is my favorite update and it brings on a completely new recent screen. You're welcomed with a new vertical multitasking menu which fits in a lot more apps than a normal horizontal recents menu would fit in. So you can easily switch between the recently opened apps. You can even hold an app for more options like locking the app in the memory, split screen, and accessing the app settings. I think other OEMs and even Google should consider switching to the vertical multitasking menu. Unlike the previous generations of MIUI, MIUI 10 is heavily inspired by Android P. The notification shade is completely new. When you pull down the notification shade, it blurs everything behind it. It looks beautiful and clean. The background of the quick settings is white, which looks flat and bold. The notification shade is heavily inspired by Android P, and that is not a bad thing. The only annoying thing I found about the notification shade is that it doesn't have any shortcut icon to access the settings. The volume slider doesn't exactly look like its Android P counterpart but acts like it. This also looks very clean and flat. The volume window also includes a countdown slider for the silent mode and DND. For the people who forget to turn off the silent mode in their phone, this can be a really useful feature.
With every smartphone company introducing some kind of AI in their devices, Xiaomi has also done it with MIUI 10. It brings in two major features. The first one is AI Preload. It is supposed to reduce app load times. It will learn the way you use your phone and will predict the app you're going to open and preload the app so that the app opens quickly. This, if it works the way it is advertised, it will be a really useful feature. I will talk about the performance in the later part of the video. The other feature is AI Portrait. It uses AI to blur the background of the portrait images. But this is only available in the front camera for now and later will be available for the rear camera. How well it works is what we will talk about later. Now let's talk about how MIUI 10 performs on the Redmi Note 4. But first let me clarify, this is the global beta ROM I am talking about and the stable build may bring in a lot more features and it will be a lot more stable. I have been using the MIUI 10 running Note 4 as my daily driver for the past 2 weeks and it has not been a problem at all. The build is stable enough to be used as a daily driver. There are no major bugs. The AI preload feature, in my opinion, has not made a lot of difference from what the phone performed before the update. The only thing I noticed is this build of MIUI 10 sometimes takes a split second to unlock after scanning the finger. The delay is not very eminent, but I could feel it happening. Other than this, MIUI 10 performs great till now and I love the look of the new UI. The UI looks fresh and modern. The portrait mode on the front camera works surprisingly well and I was impressed. The battery life was more or less the same. So I really like the MIUI 10 update. I hope Xiaomi fixes the delay of unlocking the phone. The global beta ROM gets weekly updates, so that shouldn't be a problem at all. If you have a Xiaomi phone and are eligible for the update, go give MIUI 10 a try. So that was pretty much it for the video. Hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content like this. Thank you very much for watching this video. This has been Satyajeet. See you in the next one.